Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD 1.1. Look this blueprint. Okay, first we need to create a new sketch and select XY plane. Next, we need to create a circle. The dimension is 110. Okay, close the sketch. Then we need pad command. The dimension is 35. Okay. Next, we need to create this feature. So, create new sketch. Select XY plane. And create a circle. Next, we need sketch view. Create 2 lines and 3 lines. Make tangent to arc. Oh no, we need to trim the sketch. Tangent. Constraint tangent. And constraint symmetrical. And here we need to add a circle. Okay, next, make dimension 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm, 50, yes. $68. 10 mm. The radius 10 mm. 15 degrees. Okay, finish the sketch. Next pad command. 40. Okay. Next, we need to fillet this edge 3 mm. Okay, and this edge 3 mm. Okay. Next, we need to select the 3 feature 1, 2, 3. Hold Control, select 3 feature and partner 3, number 3. Okay, good. Next, we create this hole, big hole, and 35, 90, 25. So we need to use this hole command. Select this circle edge. And no drag angle. Here we need to tap center bar 19 and 23. Here it we say 32. Here is the 23 and this 100. Okay, good. Okay. Nice. Next, we need to create these 3 hole 22. And this way is 13.2. The center. So we need to create a new sketch and select XY plate to create a circle. 22. Next, from here. Okay, close the sketch and pocket. We need slew all and reversed. Okay. Next, we select the pocket and partner. 3. Okay. Good. Next, we need to create a pocket 4. So select this face and create a new sketch on the face. So we need to create center rectangle. The dimension will look is 10 millimeter. Here 10. So 10 millimeter. So constraint spectrum. Wrong enough. 200. Okay, close the sketch and the pocket. 10 millimeter. Okay. Next, select the pocket, the partner. 2. Here is 108. No, 90. Okay. Nice. Next, we change the clothes. Good. We finished the model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.